Hello everyone, my name is Sujata and I'll be teaching you The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost today. It is in CBSE class 9th curriculum. Before we start the poem, I want you to know few things about it. Like the themes of the poem are choices in life, individuality, uncertainty, and regret and satisfaction. Okay, actually the life is all about our choices, losses, and gains, whether you regret or it satisfies you. Okay, the poetic device used here are metaphor, symbolism, imaginary, repetition, alliteration, personification, enjambment, tone, which is reflective, thoughtful, slightly uncertain, and the rhyming scheme here is A B A A B. Okay, so these are the themes and poetic devices. So now let's go through the poem. Okay, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood and sorry two roads diverged in a yellow wood and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I go, sorry, and looked down as far as I could to where it went undergrowth. Okay, to where it went undergrowth. Now, here, Robert Frost actually says that he was walking on a path where two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Okay, everywhere it were in a pathway, in a greenery way, green road actually. He says that two roads diverged in a yellow wood and sorry, I could not travel both. Because here he says that in life, if we have choices, okay, if we have choices, we have two choices, but as an individual, we can only choose one, okay, only choose one. So he says the same. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down as far as I could. He looked here and there, he looked down beneath the trees and all, and then he bent in the underground, and as far as he can look, he looked the both, then took the other one. Then the next stanza, come to the next stanza, then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted beer. So he is saying that he was going through a path, two roads diverged in a wood, दो road आए सामने से ऐसे, and he took the one which is less traveled by. Okay, see here he says, and having perhaps a better claim because it was grassy. He why he chose the second one, as वो दो तो चूज नहीं कर सकता है क्योंकि वो एक इंडिविजुअल है, जा दो पैर है उसके, एक ही जगह जा सकता है वो, ठीक है, तो उसने दूसरा वाला रास्ता क्यों चूज करा, क्योंकि वो उसे ग्रीन ग्रीन लगा एंड ही थॉट इट इज लेस ट्रेवल्ड बाय, लाइक कम यूज करा हुआ है वो, ठीक है, तो उसने वो वाला रास्ता चूज करा, सेकेंड वन, उसने सेकेंड रूट चूज करा. So because it was grassy and wanted beer, because it was all grassy and wanted beer, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same, then he chose the second one कि ये तो grassy grassy है, अच्छा है, okay, it is less traveled. Then his eye certainly goes that side and उसने देखा ये वाला भी तो grassy है. He now it brings a state of confusion in author's mind, like in the poet's mind. Okay, कि both the trees and all are same, like grassy greeneries are the same, so which one to choose first, like it is a state of confusion now कि हम right वाला लूं या left वाला लूं, first लूं या second लूं. Okay, so he chose the second one. Okay, which is less traveled by, because as a feeling of satisfaction he says कि चलो चलो ये green वाला ज़्यादा है, I'll choose this one. Okay, now and both that, now come to the third stanza, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden, black कि कोई लीव्स ब्लैक नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था दोनों साइड में. ओके, ओह आई केप्ट द फर्स्ट वन फॉर अनदर डे. Now he is in his mind that, oh, okay, it is fine, I'm choosing the second one, Now the first one, what about that? I'm choosing the first choice for another day. Like इसको हम दूसरे दिन के लिए रख देते हैं, ठीक है, कि कभी और आऊंगा तो इस साइड से आ जाऊंगा. I'll choose this one, okay, like I'll choose the one next day, फिर कभी. So yet, now see the line, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now there is a state of confusion and a doubt in his mind that if I'll come back or not, what will happen? I'll come back or not? It's totally about the circumstances in life. जैसे हमें पता होता है कि हम इस जगह दोबारा आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे. We never knew. But he says that कि I don't know about it, but still I left the road, that I don't know about it, but I left the road for another day. Okay. So but inside his mind he knew कि I'll not come back. So now he has some doubt in his mind कि I'll not come back. Now the fourth stanza says, I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the differences. Okay, and that has made all the differences. So what differences he is telling about? He is telling about the differences in life. Like in life we have a lot of differences, like choices. Actually choices, we have a lot of choices in life. So he says about that कि मेरे पास चॉइसेस इतनी हो, मतलब मेरे पास 2 चॉइसेस थी, बट मैं सिर्फ एक को ही चूज कर पाऊंगा, और यही मेरी लाइफ का, या तो मेरी लाइफ को चेंज कर देगी इन अ गुड वे और इन अ बैड वे. सो simply, as I told you about the themes, like it is about regrets or satisfaction, which means gains or loss. या तो मुझे मेरा अच्छा होगा इस चॉइस से, या फिर मेरा बुरा होगा इस चॉइस से. Simple poem. Okay, so same goes with life, as you have a lot of choices in life, but you should be careful in your mind and be thoughtful to choose which one. Like 10th class students think about which stream to look for, but which they should choose, which their heart says, and which should have a possibility of to become a good person and a great individual. So as here the author says, future is very uncertain, unpredictable, and he chose the one road which is less traveled by, which actually means he chose the one which no other people had chosen, like less people had really chosen. So this gave a theme of individuality, like he is different from others. He is giving you a perspective that be different, do something very great in life. So students, always be very practical and thoughtful about your decisions in life, as it lasts long. The poem also says that, and I'm also telling you the same. If you have some doubts and some queries, do comment down below. And if you have learned something from here, stay connected. Thank you.